Hi all, just running through the Signal Center widget and a how to use it. And we're going to start off with the main page. This has a page full of tiles, different asset classes and different status of trade. This is a multi-language platform. We can select the language by clicking on the right-hand side and selecting a language. This will change the language throughout the whole platform and trade idea. The different statuses we have different types of status. When a trade is first published, it will either be sell limit, sell stop, buy limit, or buy stop. When the trade expiration time hits, it will become expired automatically, which you can see the grayed out trade ideas down here on the bottom of the page. And when the trade is actually, when the price moves to the entry price of each trade, then the trade will be manually changed to live. Hopefully we're going to be automating this soon. We can select different classes. I may be more interested in foreign exchange or commodities or cryptos, or this selects all of them. So the tiles themselves, it can be either in a tiled tabulated form like this, or we can actually have a list of trade ideas. So it's exactly the same trade ideas, just in a different presentation. If we look at the tile itself, in the corner of each tile, it's reflected in different symbols to do with either a commodity, all the different classes, the FX, the commodities, the indices, the cryptos, and the stocks. The status of the trade is also shown in the tile in the top right-hand corner. You can see buy limit or live trade idea. And we also have a shortcut to the trade idea itself, which will show a red tile is a bearish or a selling trade idea. A green tile is a bullish or a buying trade idea. It will show the entry level, the stop level, and the target level. So that's the main screen. And to get further information, you would click on one of the tiles, which will take you through to the actual trade idea itself. In this occasion, we'll do the Euro Swiss. So this takes us through to our more in-depth part of the trade idea. We'll have the Euro Swiss. We'll have the last traded price is 108.30. That's updated every hour. We also have a short-term news sentiment. This is part of the Acuity products, and this shows that in the last 24 hours, short-term news in Euro Swiss has been 100% more positive than the average. We then have the clearly marked out trade idea. We have the sell trade idea. This is a sell limit at 108.39. We have two target prices rather than the one on the front page, and we also have the stop price. As well as that, we have a confidence which is built with regards to 5 different specific technical or well, it is more technical or news sentiment based. So it's there's 3 different time frames. We look at the short, the medium, and the long-term time frame. So if the trade idea is a sell, and the short and the medium and the long term are all negative or bearish, then this will give you 3 bars. The trade idea is a sell. It's going against the bullish news sentiment, so that this will take 1 bar away. And also the analyst who has written the trade idea will have a confidence score. If in the last 10 trade ideas, their last 10 sell trade ideas have made money, they will get a green bar. If they haven't, they won't get a green bar. So this shows a confidence factor of 3 out of 5 or 60%. The trade idea, we clearly state the publish time and the expiry time. They're all intraday trade ideas, or mainly intraday trade ideas. This would have sell limit until it gets triggered. So as we can see, we've got the analysis here, which is showing the technical reasoning behind the trade idea. This is what our analysts write. When the trade idea is triggered, an update will appear. It will say when the update has occurred. So at 7:46, price moved through the short the level that we were looking to sell this trade at. Also, this will show the next volatility events, and we can scroll through that. So these are the volatility events which are expected to affect this particular market, and they will show on here. And after the time of the event, it will get crossed through. There'll be a strike line. So the next volatility event is the German Bundesbank President Weidmann speech at 1 o'clock, and then further volatility events later on. On the left-hand side, we show a chart which we've built ourselves. This also highlights the trade idea in chart format, and we'll color code it as well. The entry level and the stop level target, and both target levels. And this is based on a candle chart. Also, resistance and support are clearly marked down here. Again, we're using green to represent support, red to represent resistance. So I hope that's given an overview. And the only other things I was thinking about drilling down into is the whole basis of the trade idea. So a trader can really sort of want expert opinion. So what we do is provide a single trade idea on each asset each day. We rewrite them in the morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on which time frame they're published. And the trade ideas are based on technical analysis, and we apply technical indicators and create a trade idea from that using technical analysis levels to provide the entry level, the target levels, and the stop level. So it's really when traders come to us for trade ideas, this is what we're presenting. I hope that's been enough for you. Let me know if you need any more information on that. Thanks.